Are you ready to embark on a journey through the most enigmatic and uninspiring prophecies of the Book of Revelation? Get ready to unlock the secrets held within the seven seals, a celestial mystery that has captivated and perplexed believers for centuries. In this thrilling exploration, we will delve deep into the symbolic language of the Bible and uncover the hidden meanings behind these seven enigmatic seals. Each seal holds a unique message, a glimpse into the unfolding tapestry of prophetic events that will shape our world. John's message was one of hope, assuring believers that despite the trials and tribulations they were enduring, God was in control and would ultimately triumph over evil. Throughout its 22 chapters, Revelation paints a vivid picture of heavenly visions and symbolic imagery that have sparked countless interpretations and debates throughout history. This signifies the beginning of a new era, one marked by divine scrutiny and accountability. A white horse emerges representing righteousness, conquest, and victory. Its rider is crowned with a laurel wreath symbolizing triumph and achievement. This first seal introduces themes of judgment, righteousness, and victory that will resonate throughout the subsequent seals. As the fourth seal is broken, a pale horse symbolizing death and suffering enters the scene. The fifth seal carries a powerful message of hope and vindication for the persecuted. It describes earthquakes, the moon turning the color of blood and the sun being shrouded in darkness. These celestial disturbances signify profound cosmic chaos and upheaval. The imagery evokes a sense of impending doom and foreshadows a period of great tribulation. As the foundations of the world seem to tremble, humanity is confronted with the full force of divine judgment. It depicts the souls of those who have been slain for their faith crying out for justice. These enigmatic symbols have captivated the human imagination for centuries, inspiring countless interpretations and debates. While their true meaning may forever elude our grasp, one thing remains certain. The seven seals hold immense significance in the realm of biblical prophecy and the study of the Book of Revelation. It marks a transition from the sealing to the sounding of the seven trumpets. Remember, the quest for understanding is a lifelong pursuit, and every step brings you closer to the divine wisdom hidden within these sacred texts. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the seven seals. May the revelations we've uncovered ignite your curiosity and deepen your connection with the timeless teachings of the Bible. Until next time, keep searching for the truth, and may the spirit of revelation guide your path. However, before the trumpets are sounded, there's a 7-year period of silence when nothing happens. This pause builds anticipation and heightens the drama of what is yet to come. Once the trumpets begin to sound, they unleash various judgments upon the earth. Each trumpet blast brings about specific calamities and disasters that devastate both the natural and human realms. These judgments are intended to awaken humanity to their sins and lead them back to repentance. But for those who remain unrepentant, the judgments intensify until the final confrontation between good and evil. These martyrs are promised that their suffering will not go unnoticed or unavenged. As we reflect on the seven seals, their implications for the future become increasingly clear. Each seal carries a message that extends beyond the immediate context, offering glimpses into broader prophetic themes and patterns. The first 4 seals primarily focus on judgment, depicting the consequences of sin and the need for repentance. The 5th seal highlights the theme of persecution and the vindication of the righteous. The 6th seal introduces cosmic chaos and upheaval, signaling a climax of sorts. And the 7th seal ushers in a period of intense judgment through the sounding of the 7 trumpets. Their cries ascend to heaven, calling for divine intervention and retribution. Each seal invites introspection and self-reflection, prompting us to examine our own beliefs, values, and actions. By contemplating the symbolism and messages embedded within each seal, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our relationship with God. The seals serve as a reminder to live lives of faith, hope, and resilience in the face of adversity. This seal underscores the importance of faith, perseverance, and the ultimate triumph of good over evil. Its rider is named Death, and he is granted power to take lives on earth. This seal confronts us with the ultimate reality of mortality. The personification of death emphasizes its inescapable presence in human existence. The unleashing of the angel of death serves as a reminder of the brevity and preciousness of life. The book opens with Jesus Christ, the conquering Messiah, holding a scroll with 7 seals. A fiery red horse appears, symbolizing war, courage, and bloodshed. A black horse emerges carrying a pair of scales, symbolizing scarcity and economic hardship. Its rider is given authority to cause damage through famine and pestilence. This seal paints a grim picture of suffering and scarcity, reminding us of the fragility of life and the challenges that can befall humanity. The mention of wild beasts adds an element of danger and unpredictability to the mix. Its rider is granted power to take peace from the earth, leading to violence and strife. This seal unveils the darker aspects of human nature, highlighting the destructive forces that can grip humanity. The imagery of war and bloodshed foreshadows the turbulent times that lie ahead. This image immediately captures our attention and sets the stage for the unfolding drama. Before we dive into the depths of the seven seals, it is crucial to understand the context from which they emerged. The Book of Revelation, also known as the Apocalypse of John, is the final book of the Christian Bible. It was written by John the Apostle, who received his divine commission on the island of Patmos, traditionally dated to the 1st century A.D. Revelation offers a captivating blend of apocalyptic literature, symbolism, and prophetic messages. Join us as we decipher the cryptic symbols and shed light on the profound significance of the seven seals. Prepare to be amazed by the revelations that await you, as we unravel the mysteries of this celestial enigma. The term seal in this context refers to something that authenticates or confirms. In ancient times, documents and letters were sealed with wax to ensure their validity and prevent tampering. Similarly, in Revelation, the seven seals serve as a confirmation of what is about to transpire. They act as a divine authentication of the prophetic messages that follow. As each seal is opened, a series of dramatic events and signs are unleashed, providing glimpses into the future and the ultimate destiny of humanity. Let's get started. The book's purpose was to encourage and strengthen the early Christian communities, who were facing persecution during the reign of the Roman Emperor Nero. But what do these seals really mean? And what secrets do they hold about our future? Seal No. 1. A new era dawns, as the first seal is broken. The scene shifts to a heavenly courtroom where a scroll containing God's judgments is unsealed. Second seal, the war horse. With the breaking of the second seal, the focus shifts to conflict and upheaval. Third seal, famine and pestilence. The third seal ushers in an ominous trio: famine, pestilence, and wild beasts. Fourth seal, the angel of death. Fifth seal, the martyrs cry out. Sixth seal is cosmic chaos. The sixth seal dramatically portrays a disruption of the natural order. Seventh seal, trumpet judgment. The seventh seal ushers in a crescendo of prophetic events. Looking ahead, implications for the future. Unveiling personal meaning. Beyond their prophetic implications, the seven seals also hold personal meaning for individuals seeking spiritual guidance and enlightenment. As we bring this exploration of the seven seals to a close, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. We encourage you to continue your journey into the depths of the Book of Revelation,